Inatasan ng Department of Labor and Employment o DOLE ang may-ari at kontraktor ng gumuhong siyam na palapag na gusali sa Angeles City na magbayad ng kabuuang 11.7 million pesos bilang labor-related liabilities at administrative fines. Inanunsyo ito ni DOLE Secretary Francis Tolentino matapos ang isinagawang investigasyon ng iba't ibang ahensya.
After conducting an investigation, after constituting a committee, the DOLE found that Jackson Lim and Golden Years Construction and Steel Works Corporation were liable to pay a total of 11,426,798 pesos and 50 centavos, representing 1,102,798 50 pesos for labor standards violations and 10,324,000 as an administrative fine under Republic Act number 11058 for willful violation of occupational safety and health standards. So despite the existence of a work stoppage order, yung mga trabahador ni Jackson Lim and Golden Years Construction continued working, exposing themselves to danger that could result in death or injury. The workers were also not paid their wages. Hindi sila binayaran ng Golden Years at ni Jackson Lim. Rest day period for working on Saturdays, holiday pay, and there was underpayment of wages. Jackson Lim and Golden Years Construction also failed to provide personal protective equipment, secure a permit to operate the mechanical equipment, yung lifter, provide occupational safety and health personnel, first aider and safety officer, provide temporary accommodation for workers, wala silang binigay, and violated under the other provisions of the occupational safety and health standards.
Ayon sa DOLE, napatunayang may pananagutan ng may-ari at kontraktor ng nasabing gusali sa 1.1 million pesos para sa labor standards violation at 10.3 million pesos bilang administrative fine dahil sa paglabag umano sa occupational safety at health standards. Natuklasan din daw ng ahensya ang iba pang labor violation, kabilang umano ang hindi pagbabayad ng sahod at statutory benefits, underpayment at hindi tamang pasahod tuwing rest days, Sabado at holiday. Sinabi naman ng DOLE na magpapatuloy ang mga legal at administrative proceedings laban sa mga responsable sa insidente. Ako po, Patricia Mamangon para King News Force Pampanga. Balitang tutuking Balen, Susuyo.